Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to start a new project, Hardle 2. Last time we did Hardle 1, this time we're going to do Hardle 2. So first of all, we need the right function and we need jump function. Yes, it's correct, but here we have to add a new function and write while not at goal. It's a new function we create. If front is clear, close, open a bracket, close the bracket, and right here move. But over here write else jump. Let's check it. It has to work. And why didn't it stop? Okay, now it has to work. No. Ouch, I hit the wall. If front is clear, move. Okay, so here we might like to change some things. Let's write. First, open up this, turn left, move, turn left. No, this time right. Right. Then we move. Then again right. And then move left. Move left. Okay, now let's run it. Let's check it. It has to work. Yeah, it will work. Yep. Okay, guys, this is all for this lecture. See you in the next one. Bye bye.